I let them other niggas shine, but now they running out luckin'. If I hop on any beat, I'ma fuck that dude jumpin'. If he thinkin' that he got it, tell him look. If he buck, look. If he buck, I don't give no fuck. But if he buckin', look. If he buck ass, look. We going pain with these niggas, it is not a game. Young heavy shit, run them hotter than offline. Young mama pimp shit, I don't need no can. You and me is not the same, you pussy niggas is lame. And you can call me Jay, I gotta tell my brothers up.
Oh, bitch. Hey, he wanna shoot something, we know you not. Bitch. Hey, blood nigga, we know you.
What up, boy? B-Day boy, B-Day boy, what up?
It was good, you feel me?
This is my oldest son, man. His birthday today. Y'all wish him a happy birthday.
Son, nigga, what you talking about?
Yeah, he just. Hey, that nigga dumb. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, snap. That nigga stupid. Leave. Damn.
Stop playing!
You didn't make that. What the fuck? What's going on? Damn, how you zoom in on this bitch? It ain't zooming.
That's a bobcat for real.
For real?
That ain't no regular neighborhood cat.
Who else coming? Oh, snaps, man. Y'all finna see a young legend, man, on the fucking court today, man. But goddamn shit. That nigga ugly.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy. Hey, why y'all both on the same side? I'm top 10. That's me, y'all. Hey, that's wrong. Hey, ain't worried about this. I can't stop. What's up, my wrong, man? Hey. Y'all finna go on YouTube. I got ball. Rebound. Y'all ain't gonna run full court? Oh, hell no. Watch out, daddy. Ooh. You gonna play some defense, bro. Put your shorts down. Man, you come out here, man. What's that? Yo, ass. You come out here. You got five. Come out here. And let's go. Come out here. 5 up. Man, you know I love you, boy. I just got the phone with you. Hey, yeah. He ain't seen nothing. Oh, yeah, you straight. Damn. Oh, yeah. What I tell you, B? What I tell you? What's up? Doing wrong. I appreciate that. Lock down. Don't stop. Don't open him up. He's too tall. He's too tall. God damn. It don't matter. What happened, bro? That's not what happened, bro. I know, but you explaining it is not how it happened, though. I know, but you ain't explaining it right, though. Get back. No. I beat the fuck out that shit. That shit was too much. Hey, stick that nigga, bro. No, come on. Stop, dude. That's when you shoot. That's when you fucking shoot. Wait. We ain't never seen you run that much. You know you can roll with me. Go ahead. I got a game in front of me.
I am not no hooper, boy.
Brother Terrence.
Even though I'm
like a bitch.
a couple.
Shit, man, this probably gonna be the last clip on my channel. Y'all go to MB channel, that shit gonna be on there. Y'all here? Alright, what is good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, that boy Zens. We are back with another video, man. As y'all can see, we got the cars out today. Everybody out today and shit, man. We just got done hooping, so yeah, man, we just trying to have some fun. Trying to find some shit to do, you know. We got look at these niggas right here. This shit hard as fuck, really.
When the fuck you come in here?
I just got in here, nigga. That's my it's my second oldest son. You my second oldest son, bitch. And that's my youngest right there. Jay!
Who you think he be talking to? He talking about weird kids and shit.
I mean, that ain't my dad, bro. But
I am your daddy, bitch.
Dude, that ain't my dad, bro.
Who your dad is?
Julius Delaney was here. AKA Uncle Laney.
That nigga gonna say the whole name, bro. What the fuck? Alright, well shit. We got my boy Larry over here. This you see right there? He did nice as fuck. My nigga Tease.
Yo, what's good?
I don't even think they can see your ass.
I already know they can't see my black ass. Nah. Damn, wish y'all ain't got no light over here.
When we sit, this the only light.
This the only location we got?
This the only spot with some lights.
I know the quality kind of.
Shit looks straight though.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Damn. I think this is the only spot.
Like you can.
Oh me, dude. Damn. They got them Hemi badge. Motherfucking GT. Fuck. But shit, man, I'm gonna catch y'all once we start doing some shit, you know. Gonna run out of space and shit. But yeah, man, catch y'all niggas later. Go the other way. Gotta go the other way.
I gotta show him
That was totally wicked.
Hey Lee, what you got to say about that, Lee? What you got to say about that, Lee? Hey, hey, nasty, boy, you like 12.
I wish you were doing what I was dropping,
Bro, where did you get this? Where did you get this?
I had this shit. I don't even remember when I got it. It was like 2020.
Oh yeah, Drew. Oh yeah, Larry. You gonna show him how to turn up, Larry? You gonna show him how to turn up, Larry?
Ain't nobody else in the.
Nobody else in there? Gonna turn up in that big Hemi.
I wanted to slide some more, bro. Oh my god.
Man, tell me when you re-up, you gonna
still got it in me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, I did it a little bit. Hey, come on.
Oh yeah, I gotta get my boy Larry. My boy hanging out the window. Oh yeah.
My back hurt, but that's still hard.
I gotta give you some time, no cap. I gotta give you some time. I got you.
You said it.
Hell yeah, that nigga swinging out through the damn window.
Living like Larry. So how you doing, Larry?
Don't worry about it. He be the haters for me.
Living like Larry. Go on, say it, Larry.
Last time on some fucking, it was ass.
Go on, say it, Larry.
I'm not saying this shit.
Larry, say it, Larry.
Come
on.
We gonna be in that bitch at the same time.
We ain't tripping. We gonna animate it in the video. We ain't tripping. Living like Larry. Living like Larry. Living like Larry. Yo, right there, bro.
You got a taser? Yeah. Nigga, let me use it. He want one so bad.
He got up.
Let me use it. Like I need to let me like use it. Like I don't want to take it. Let me use it. That shit, you gonna have to do a lot of pulling this shit.
He got ups.
What you mean?
He need a taser. Who is ups with a taser?
He got run off.
Who nigga beat Rick? Nigga 7 haters? My nigga need a taser.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we really do this, you feel me?
Yeah, we really do this.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
I'm
nigga,
big
Slide Fair come soon, nigga.
Slide Fair coming soon.
Bullshit.
We could really host one in the blood for real. Show them how to do
Yeah,
something.
we could.
If we get everybody for real, we really can host one for real. A Slide Fair.
Dude, this no, I'm trying to go up there with dude. This nigga, he got a whole car group. Dude, it's a car meet in Memphis every weekend, bro. It's a car meet in Memphis.
We gonna let you see a little, Larry.
Me and Dante gonna get a chance to go up there. We fucking like to just go up there.
Man.
Oh, we already down here.
Man, we don't know, man.
Over there. Man, you already know, man, because my ears ain't even purred.
My ears ain't even bird, man.
Damn. We obviously know not this weekend. We can do it soon though. Probably like sometime next month.
Straight fair day.
Okay, what the fuck? Nigga. We only going to stay for one day out of that fucking month, nigga. Then, you know, one day. I take my nigga Joe on the day. Ain't that right, bro? I be going with
Nigga mad cause he taking you out on what?
This time he gonna take him out today. He gay.
Y'all nigga gay.
Y'all gay.
He walking over here.
That nigga Lee want a hug. Lee want a hug.
He standing by.
Lee want a hug, bro. Hug Lee.
bad.
Hug Lee, bro. Lee want a
I ain't
hug.
got a hug, bro. He ain't taking me on no date.
He said he ain't taking on no date. You ain't getting no hug.
Bro, nigga know what's gonna happen, bro. He hug me, bro. Nigga ain't gonna get poked up, bro. Shit, bro.
The bitch don't come say it to his face.
Damn, homie, you ain't poke the shit up. Shawty, you know I got my motherfucking poke.
Hey, pop his ass, twin. Hey, Drew, hit his ass.
Fuck me, nigga.
Hey, pop his ass, twin.
Bro, nigga ass not trying to go back.
Hey, Lee, he said you ain't gonna do nothing, bro.
Man, bro, if that was me, I would've been hit their ass.
Would've been hit him. Would've been hit him. Hey, Lee, he said you ain't gonna do nothing.
How long you did in jail?
How long you did in jail? Hey, hit his ass.
How long you did
Hit
in
his
jail?
ass.
10 minutes, nigga. 10 minutes, nigga, what, nigga?
Hit his ass.
10 minutes, nigga, what's happening, bro?
Hit his ass.
He said what's happening.
Straight up, bro.
He said fuck the east side.
A nigga ass will do your
Hey,
ass.
Jew, he said fuck the east side.
Nigga, how you
Hit
get
his
out
ass.
10 minutes for murder, nigga?
Man, stop doing something. Hit his
I had
ass.
vandalism.
Hit his ass. Hit his ass.
Instigator on bronze.
Hit his ass.
Instigator on bronze. L instigator. Let me show you how it's done, buddy.
You know what I did with that wall, nigga.
Let me show you how instigator on
You know I had 15
legendary.
going for tickets, nigga.
Hey, personally, I wouldn't let him talk to me like that.
That nigga ugly.
Bye, have a great time.